The Caseta three-way smart switch by Lutron offers a seamless way to automate your home's lighting, ensuring your porch lights illuminate at dusk and creating a welcoming environment. With the ability to manage multiple light types, including LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs, this smart switch provides versatile control for your outdoor and indoor spaces. The included Pico remote enhances convenience by allowing you to control your lighting with just a touch, making it easy to adjust settings from anywhere in your home. Thanks to its geofencing capabilities, the switch can automatically turn off lights when you leave, adding to your home's energy efficiency without any extra effort. Installation is straightforward with the provided wall mount bracket, which requires no additional wiring or cutting, making it accessible for any homeowner. Compatible with major smart home systems, including Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant, this switch is highly connected and integrates seamlessly with your existing devices.